Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install shaders for Minecraft 1.21.4 or any other version on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. So if you don't have it already, I will leave a tutorial linked in the description below. First thing you need to do is to download the correct Minecraft files so we can install the Fabric modding platform and shaders later on. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher and select the Minecraft version you want to install shaders for. For this example, it's going to be 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, it means the files are being installed correctly, so we want to click on Quit Game. Now we can go ahead and download Fabric. Open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. Click on the download button, then click on Download Installer. For this example, I'm going to download the installer to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods can work correctly. Click on the Fabric API link just below. This will take us to the CurseForge website. Click on the Files tab, scroll down and find the correct version of the Fabric API for our Minecraft version. For this example, we are downloading Fabric for Minecraft 1.21.4. Once you've selected it, scroll down and click on the download button. After a few seconds, the download will automatically start. I'm going to download the Fabric API to my desktop. Now we've downloaded the Fabric installer and the Fabric API, we just need to download the mods that allow us to run shaders. Open your web browser and go to any modding platform of your choice. For this example, we're going to use modrienth.com. Click on Discover Mods and find Iris Shaders and click into that. Click on the Versions tab and select the correct version for your Minecraft version, so 1.21.4, and make sure it's the Fabric version. Click into that and then click on the Download button. Again, I'm going to download this to my desktop. The next mod we need to install is Sodium. Go to your web browser and go to modrienth.com. Click on Discover Mods. Find the Sodium mod, it should be near the top. Click on the Versions tab and find the correct version for our Minecraft version, 1.21.4, the Fabric version. Click on the Download button and I'm going to save it to my desktop. The final thing we need to download are the shaders themselves. Open your web browser and again I'm going to use modrienth.com. Click on Discover Mods, and then at the very top, choose the Shaders tab. Select any of these shaders you want to download. For this example, I'm going to download the complementary shaders. Once selected, click on the Versions tab and select the version for your Minecraft version. As you can see, the top one here supports 1.20x, which means it supports any version in the 1.21 Minecraft. Because we downloaded the Iris mod earlier, it listed platform is Iris. Select that version and click the Download button, saving it to my desktop. Now we have everything downloaded, we just need to go ahead and install Fabric. Open the Fabric installer we downloaded earlier. If you get an error message, click on Done, right-click and then click on Open again. If you get another error message, click on Done, select the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner and select System Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security.